Hey everyone, we all know that for you to become a successful leader, you must develop your team and yourself. Congratulations, you have come to the right channel because we talk about leadership and HRD solutions. Welcome to my channel, Excel-HRD. I'm Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. So here's what you can expect from this channel and as a community. Let me share that this channel covers all about growing ourselves in the spaces of leadership and HRD solutions. In short, we make sense of leadership and HRD solutions in how you develop people. By viewing this video and channel, I take it that you are already a leader or on the way going to be one. Whoever you are, we have a place here for you. You and I will work on what and how leadership and HRD solutions can be used for general applications in our daily lives, and we use resources from research, books and publications, personal experience, comments and discussions from our community and outside, work experience, and many more. We will also go through various up and coming with current trends. So let's get started.